Feeling classy? Well, you're in luck because I have 3 classic Baccarat strategies for you. Hello Internet, it's Ed here from CasinoHawks.com. One of the most popular betting strategies in Baccarat is the famous Martingale System. You can apply this betting strategy to several casino games, but it's especially popular in roulette and Baccarat. Here's how it works. You set a money goal and follow these 2 rules. If you lose, double your bet, and if you win, you go back to the original bet. So, for example, if your initial bet is £2 and you lose the first round, you have to double your next bet to £4. If you continue losing, then you keep doubling your bet. And once you get a win, then you start again from £2. Don't forget to set a money and a time limit. Always keep control. After all, you are here to have some fun.
Yes. Yeah.
Our second Baccarat strategy comes with a pizza pasta twist. It's the great Fibonacci. This system heavily focuses on banker bets while following this sequence of betting values per round. It might sound complicated, but don't worry.
I can't do the math, Tone. I'm an artiste.
Here is what you need to do. Set a minimum bet value and start from 1. When you lose, move 1 step to the right. When you win, move 2 steps left on the sequence. If there's no space on the left of the sequence, you've reached your goal. And then you can either start again or stop playing. The choice is yours. Here's a quick betting example. Let's say you've chosen £2 as your minimum bet. In this case, your system would look something like this. When using Fibonacci, I recommend setting a betting limit because, as you can see, betting amounts can rise pretty quickly. And last but not least, here's another popular one, the Labouchere System.
Bonjour. Oh, une table pour un, monsieur?
First, you set a goal and a minimum bet. Let's say you want to win £50 with a minimum bet of £5. Write 10 £5 down in a row. Each time you place a wager, add the first and last numbers, which in this case result in £10. When you win, you cross out the first and last number, and when you lose, add a new number to the right of the sequence with the amount you lost. If you manage to cross out all of the numbers, you can walk away with that £50 win.
I won.
Which Baccarat strategy is your favourite? Let us know in the comments down below. This has been Ed wishing you good luck, and as always, play responsibly.